YouTube, what's going on? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and today we're doing a quick real-world speed test between the Note 10 Plus and the iPhone XS Max. Look, I'm aware that the iPhone is almost a year old and the Note 10 Plus is brand new, but both phones are super fast, and I wanted to do a quick comparison, just launching some apps, launching some games, and some quick multitasking. If you're new here, hit subscribe as I have some great content coming up. But anyways guys, enjoy the video. I will chime in periodically throughout this test, kind of give you some extra context or tell you what I was seeing. So the buttons were pressed at the same time. The Apple logo did take a little bit longer to show up. Okay, the Note 10 is the first one to arrive to its lock screen, and then the iPhone comes just about 5 seconds afterwards. At this point, I'm going to cut the video to put in my passwords, and now we're here at the home screens. The Note does have a couple of extra steps when it actually unlocks the first time to prepare the phone, but that's only a few seconds. So at this point in cell phone development, going through the home screen is really fast. The iPhone does, it just looks a little bit smoother. I think it's due to the animation, but both phones are extremely smooth when going between apps. And also the first app we're gonna launch is going to be PUBG Mobile. The assets were already downloaded and the iPhone launches first. On first tap, the iPhone launches pretty much instantly, while the Note 10 just took a little bit longer to get open. The iPhone also makes it to the next screen faster than the Note 10. But here's where you see the Note 10 catch up. It gets to this disclaimer before the iPhone, even though the iPhone launched first, and then the iPhone was still loading. I couldn't even press on the X button there. I had to tap it like 4 times. So the Note, although it launched slower, it actually loaded the assets and got into the game faster than the iPhone by a big margin. We're talking maybe 10 seconds. So now we're going to launch a couple of apps here that I have predefined. So Amazon Prime Video, we're going to get to the loading screen and you see the Note 10 is just faster than the iPhone. The iPhone has sort of some extra animations there, but the Note 10 just pops it up faster. Heading over to Instagram, I actually missed on this one, so we're gonna do a restart on this guy. All right, Instagram. Looks like the iPhone loaded a smidge faster, but overall it was actually pretty much the same. The Note 10 slows down when scrolling, but the Note 10 scrolls much faster than the iPhone, so that's not really a phone thing because it's actually loading more Instagram posts from the network. So that's kind of a network issue, more so than just the phone. Reddit, pretty much the same, but the Note is just a few seconds quicker retrieving the data from Reddit server. And these phones are both connected to my Wi-Fi, not Wi-Fi 6 standard Wi-Fi. The Starbucks app, faster on the Note as well. Twitter, pretty much the same thing. Everything is just about 3 to 5 seconds faster on the Note. The iPhone may launch it faster, but getting to the actual information is always faster on the Note. Launching the video was pretty much the same. The Note got to the video, then played an ad, but the iPhone just launched the video directly with no ad. But overall, the iPhone was just a smidge faster right there. YouTube TV, launching both at the same time. You can see that the Note had an animation first, and the iPhone was just a fraction behind it. Now we're gonna head to multitasking, and we're gonna see how multitasking works between both of these devices. So we're gonna head to PUBG first. PUBG opened up instantly on the iPhone, whereas the Note took a few more seconds to get there. The next app we're gonna go to is Starbucks. We're gonna multitask back to our Starbucks app. And those were pretty much instant. I can't see a difference there. Now we're gonna head back and do an app that was actually from a couple days ago. and see the difference here. See if we can pull it back from memory or if it has to reopen it. And the weather app actually doesn't open at all. I thought about reshooting this part, but I want to show it how it is. So this has not been my experience with the phone by any means, but this is something that happened. And this is the second day with the phone. So for what it's worth, after having an app open for a day, it just wouldn't open. I can't reduplicate this issue, but it was something that happened during my testing. And I think it'll be accurate to kind of show what I ran into. This phone is not released yet, so there could be some pre-production bugs out there, but this is something that I definitely ran into. So I guess to give some context behind what we saw, it was just, like I said, just a really quick test for a couple of minutes. And basically what I'm seeing is that the Note 10's more RAM, their faster processor, Snapdragon 855, is just an extremely fast and capable phone. It launches everything really fast and it loads everything faster as well. Also has UFS 3.0, and that is pulling data from the device faster. So if anything's in cache memory, it can always bring it up faster than other phones that do not have that. Also, the iPhone is a year old, so next iPhone might be a little bit faster, and I will be testing that. But I just want to do a quick video showing you the speed difference and just showing you how fast this Note phone actually is. I think UFS 3.0 and the new Snapdragon processor that is actually in the S10 as well, I think that makes a difference when it comes to speed. I'm going to do a comparison between the Note 9 really soon, so make sure you press subscribe. Kevin the Tech Ninja, have a great day. I'll at you guys later. Peace.